In this video, let's understand how you can request rides from taxis around you. Tap on the arrow icon from top menu. Tap on taxi icon to open up booking page. Select vehicle type based on your need. You can see the list of available drivers and their locations. Choose the driver you want to contact and tap the call button. Discuss with him about pickup, drop locations and fare. Send your pickup location to him. Enter your name and number which are needed to driver to contact you. Wait until driver accept your request. Once the driver accepted your request, you will get vehicle details. When the ride is completed, you will be prompted to fill feedback form. Please rate your ride experience and the driver behavior. Thank you.